Average directional movement index, power strategies, and trend. There are several hundred different technical indicators available to the trader for analyzing price charts. I trade with one ADX, average directional movement index, and DMI, directional movement indicator. Most traders today are armed with too many indicators and too little understanding of how to use them properly. Keeping things simple is a major challenge for traders in today's world of high-tech software, powerful computers, and a constant deluge of information. The excellence of ADX lies in its wealth of information about trend, its simplicity and straightforward signals. For instance, ADX measures trend strength on a scale from 0 to 100, where ADX is less than 25. The trend is not strong enough to trade. When ADX is greater than 25, the trend is strong and trades can be entered on trend retracement. This straightforward signal will keep the trader out of bad trends and guide them into good ones. Another example involves the positive and negative directional movement indicators, the indicators upon which ADX is calculated. When the DMI positive is above the negative DMI, the trader should be long, not short. When the negative DMI is above the positive DMI, the trader should be short, not long. The DMI signals are like a simple red light or green light system that can be easily followed. One of the most simple yet important concept of ADX is its ability to identify stocks ready to break out into a power trend. The best and strongest trends begin out of periods where ADX has been under 25 for several weeks. Spotting these low ADX periods gives the trader early notice of a potential new trend. Trading strategies presented based on power trends. When ADX and DMI are combined as one indicator, the result is a powerful indicator that can be used as a standalone trading system. The three lines tells us about trend strength, direction and momentum all at the same time. It's not wonder that ADX is so widely used by professional traders. All of the strategies use price and ADX or DMI to find low risk, high probability entries into trading stocks. And mainly the same principle applied to options, futures, commodities, and currencies. So the rules are handy shortcut to the key concepts and important information. Personally, I believe ADX or DMI is the single best indicator for trading trends. It has greatly influenced my method of trading, and I sincerely hope it will do the same for you. Thank you.